We have a stick wall light, comes in a pair, two. It comes with the hardware, a remote control that you're going to supply two AAA batteries. You have the mounting bracket that's already on the unit that you're going to take out the 3 precision screws to the stick. And inside you have the option to take it off of the clips over here and hardwire it to the wall. And then you're going to put this on the wall and you're going to lock it down into place. In order to open up the unit, as simply as just turning the unit to the wall like so. And you want to follow the arrows on both of the sides. Back over there is a nice example of the light. On the remote control, we have an on and off switch. We have to pair the unit for the very first time by holding either the left or the right for over 5 seconds and pair. And then you're able to turn it on and off. If you incorrectly do it, the instructions are very easy to follow. Pair light number 1, long press after the turn on the switch of the cord until the light flashes. The pairing number 1 is complete. So let's go over to the light, turn it off, turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It gave a flash. That means we're paired. So now we can shut off and turn on. We have the option to lower by pressing the increments and increase by changing the kelvins on the left and right. If we increase on the up and decrease on the bottom, that lowers the light down. You simply hold it and it will increase the light. You have a setup for the Wi-Fi if you want to reset it up. You have a 30-minute timer and you have a K that changes the kelvins from cool to warm and so forth. I like the this one right here. And then you have a night light that lowers down and dims down. This modernizes wherever you want to put these lights, by your bedroom, by your nightstands on each side, in the living room, by the TV set, and it will illuminate the wall and the area. This is really a nice light to really decorate the area. Now, no one says you have to hold it like so. You can take this on and you can put it in a 90-degree angle as well. That really dresses up the area. That is really neat indeed. So you can spread the light any way you like. I hope you enjoy this stick wall light. Within a couple of seconds, we're going to turn on number 2 and just hit it. And we're good to go. So now we can control both lights, 1 and 2. And we could brighten them both up at the same time and lower them down, shut them both off and turn them both on. You're given all the options to hook up. And on the wall, you can take these clips as well. And you take the self-adhesives off so you can hold the wiring right against the wall if you want to do the options of the wall. Put these lights anywhere to really lighten up the area and they do a nice job. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.